middle of the summer, the sky turned black. There was lightning, there was thunder. My mama, God bless her, was screaming like a hog when I jumped out feet first and started howling like a dog. They called the local preacher to bring his bag of tricks, a Bible, holy water, and a silver crucifix. My daddy turned pale, drinking moonshine for a cure. That ain't no son of mine, that's the son of Lucifer. I dressed in black, wore an Alabama snakeskin hat, sideburns down to my chin. Times of trouble, I just grinned. Whatever I wanted, I reached out and I took. But my days were getting numbered, I was running out of luck. I ran into some trouble down in Jackson, Tennessee. That's where the federal marshals finally caught up with me. And down in the courthouse, my daddy pleaded poor. I ain't paying no bail for no son of Lucifer. Of redemption, as a boy I would be bound. This sky it filled with lightning, and it burned down to the ground. I was sent for examination, but when they looked into my eye, the results they were never published. They're in the files of the FBI. To the county penitentiary that crumbled to the ground. The warden, he got murdered. The boys in death row were never found. I've been around for centuries, seen my heroes fade away, and the world it keeps on turning, but I never age a day. And nations fall, dictators rule and people crawl. I can give you all that's rich and good. Just shake my hand and sign your name in blood.